Now let me tell you something. There's something about when somebody realizes that social media is where she gets sympathy. And mostly I'm speaking these in regards to couples that are in relationships. And nikisema couples that are in relationships, I'm referring to Kezia wa Shokoraya Nairobi together with a boyfriend that is Dennis Jogona, or let me say a husband, because the two of them have been involved and they have a kid. Lakini miezi kadhaa iliyopita, mnakumbuka hapa ndani ya FM show tulifanya kuweza kuwa na interviews kadhaa, and all the interviews were about Shokora separation with the wife that is Kezia wa Shokora. Kezia even went ahead to leave her home and then she vacated Nairobi, ambapo aliamua kwenda kuishi kule maeneo ya Murang'a. Now, yesterday, as you have seen, there's an interview done by Kikuyu Star TV where Kezia has again announced that they have parted ways with Chokoraya Nairobi. Chokoraya is claimed to have beaten Kezia up, alipata kumpiga, tunasema kichapo cha mbwa msikitini, which is something that we don't condone. We don't condone GBV, gender-based violence, we don't condone that. And we are against it. But sometimes, let's all of us take a backseat and look at it in another dimension. Because you don't tell me that kila time you jamandi huwa na shida. You know what? Shokora accepted that whatever happened, whatever the differences they had, and whatever led to their separation happened. But mara nyingi, there is one thing and one aspect of toxicity that you will all come to bear with me. The aspect of toxicity that I'm speaking about is which is portrayed by this lady at every moment she gets. Why am I saying this? You know, we did interviews with Kezia, and I tell you, these people had made it known to us that no matter the case, they will not be back together. Lakini, Wadau, I don't know whether you have realized how important and how powerful social media is. You know, people came out to support this lady. People came out to back this lady up. People came out to even contribute money for this lady after she went ahead to reveal nimefukuzwa, nimeachana na mume wangu, and all that nonsensical crap that we all heard. I shall say that. But allow me this time round to back Jogona up. Allow me to start with Jogona in this. This woman realized that I have the support of the people. I am backed up by the people. And Shokora has always been on the opposite side. He has been fought by the people. People are always opposing him. People don't trust this guy. So, mimi nitakuwa na hapa hard kwa relationship. Whenever anything goes wrong, I will go on social media and expose it. That's why unasikia kisema after kupigwa jana aliambiwa unaweza enda hata huko social media venye nyi ufanya na mamako mni expose. Because this is not something that comes out of the blues. It's because them since let me this is my own opinion. Since they walirudiana, they came back together and decided to sort out their things. Inakani kama dem amekuwa akiambia Chokora, unajua ni aje, jaribu kufanya ujinga niende social media, jaribu kufanya ujinga ni kuexpose, jaribu kule you are hard on me. Anasema alipigwa, anasema sijui ameumizwa, and the whole reason that she is she says that this breakup has come ni kwa sababu aliweza ku approach Chokora in regards to a picture that Chokora posted of Joy Janet. Yeah, anasema ni picha ya Joy Janet ndio imeleta shinda. But let me ask you, kwani hata kama uko na ngori na mke wako and you have a very concrete relationship with other musicians, kwani you shouldn't post them. You shouldn't post them. Au pasu kuwaweka kwenye mitandao ya kijamii whenever you take a picture with them. that is where I tell you this toxicity in some ladies is what even keeps the men away from them. Kwa sababu dem hapa si chokora shida. Truth be told, udem amekuwa akijipiga kifua and boasting about how she has the upper hand in the whole marriage. And I know a lot of people will have different opinions in regards to this, but truth be told, mi yale nimeongea kutoka moyoni because I defended her. You know, we supported her, we heard the story. I think you can watch the videos are there with over 30,000 views, some of them. And all these videos, most of you people supported this lady. Na ndio maana nika chokorali ya mwaka ka mbaya this time round. Unajua, the last time ulienda on false claims that mimi ukupiga. Eti mimi ufanya hiki na kile. Now let me do this, ndio ukienda ukuwe na enough reasons za kusema yale nimekufanyia. Una get? That's what seems to have happened here. Wewe nikuulize mtazamaji, what do you think? You know, it has always been team versus team, Chokora versus Kezia. Wewe unadhani hapa nani hapo on the right side? But for me today, I won't back Kezia up. I believe that this is another stunt. Alafu amegundua nikiendanga mtandao huwa napata do. So, yeah. Pesa yenu mtatoa, mpende msipende, ndivyo mnaambiwa. That's what's up. Remember, hii ni FM show. Make sure una subscribe.